Hi babes, in today's video I am going to be showing you the best techniques to prevent concealer creasing under your eyes. So I'm going to start with a liquid concealer. I'm using a liquid concealer because I have oily skin. So if you have a dry skin or for a matured skin, use a cream concealer or satin finish or dewy or radiant finishing concealer. This type of concealer naturally settles under the eyes and it can exaggerate any little fine lines. So that's why I'm saying you should not use that if you have a dry skin or for matured skin. So when you're placing this concealer, place it at the back of your hand. Stay away from applying the concealer directly under your eyes. First off, place it at the back of your hand, then use your damp beauty sponge to pick up the concealer. And when you pick that up, place it a little lower, not directly under the eyes. And once you place it a little lower, blend it around first, then you go ahead and use whatever you have left in your damp beauty sponge to blend out your under eyes. That way you're not adding too much product and you're not adding so much texture under your eyes. So to set your under eyes, always use a translucent powder. The reason why I always advocate for a translucent setting powder is, one, it doesn't add texture under your eyes, and secondly, it only get the jobs done and it will not alter your concealer. Also, if you have oily skin, use a brush. Your brush will help blend out and keep it matte. If you have dry skin or a matured skin person, use a damp beauty sponge. A damp beauty sponge will help your under eye a lot hydrated, because of the moist in the sponge. And if you are that type that like to bake, make sure you bake a little lower, again not directly under your eye. Once you're done with your eyeshadow and your makeup look, then you can go ahead and dust that off. Guys, you can see how my under eye looks really flawless and airbrushed, because there was not so much product under my eyes, so that way there's nothing for the under eye to crease on. If you don't apply too much product, your under eye will not crease. So you have to stay away from the urge of always want to use too much product, or you want to go heavy-handed when it comes to applying concealer under your eye. So let me know if you find these beauty tips very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment for more beauty tips like this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.